Hey folks, I'm in the middle of a pick and place run and I wanted to show you this board. The pick and place has been paused in the background. Sorry about the vacuum noise, I can't turn that off. So hopefully you'll be able to hear me okay. But I wanted to show you this board. Here's an LDO that's on its side. I'm not going to try to fix this live right now. I'm going to just give you a quick scan. So this is the first part. The first board, and I look at that and go, okay, well it's not great, but it's not terrible, right? And then I move to the next one and I go, well, okay. So we've got an LED on its side, and we've got that cap. I don't know what that cap's doing, and we've got a resistor up there on its side. Placement's not fantastic, but okay. So then we move along. And we go, wow, okay, so what is this? We've got the cap's been knocked away from a Schottky, but that Schottky doesn't, there's already two Schottkys here, which I couldn't place. So, that cap can't even place that cap in the right spot. So that's like a disaster in there. And then there's obviously another resistor up here on its side. Sorry about the focus going in and out. So then I move over here, and we've got a rotated part because it just can't grab it properly. So that happens between the camera and the board. So it picks it up badly, it goes to the camera, fixes it, and by the time it gets to the board it's all screwed again. The placement on this is just all out of the place, right? It's just got no repeatability at all. You look at that part there, and you look at this part over here, the cap. They're just not even close to the same spot. Alright, I go over here. Okay, well, not many flip parts there, although the alignment is completely out. We go over here, and we go, whoa, what's going on here? We've got two LEDs sideways. These diodes are sideways. Not even the right spot. It's just a fiasco. What's happening here? LED, one way around, don't know what that cap's doing. Wow, two Schottkys sideways, LDO sideways, resistor sideways, LED sideways, cap again. What's happening with the cap? It's not even those caps are picked up next to each other. That one's picked up, and the next pickup range that one's picked up. What's going on? Every single one of these parts that I have to move and shift, it messes with the paste. Look, there's not even a resistor there. Don't know where that resistor's gone. Somewhere. An LED on its side. LED sideways. That's on its side. I've not even checked that the Schottkys are the right way round. I can't do that till I start looking under the microscope. How does that happen? Look. Perfect. Not perfect. That can't be reflow like that. That's got to be moved. Because that won't reflow. I'd call this one of my better boards. This has probably the least amount of parts, or within the range of the lower end number of parts I need to manually fix. I get way worse boards than this. This is the one that just came off, which I'm now going to fix. That would be DHL. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this board. It's just, this is what I'm fighting with. This is the unreliability of the machine. Yeah. Just insanely bad. Like, look at that. Just insanely bad. Okay, thanks for watching.